Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your boy TTT trying to trade. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Walmart earnings. As of right now, Walmart is currently trading at $133.69. They have earnings tomorrow. It is currently 15th of August 2022. We can scroll down here. We're on the Robinhood platform. We can see Walmart's fair value is at $138, so it is currently undervalued slightly. And we can see that earnings is tomorrow, so August 16th. So I'm making this quick little video because I know earnings is tomorrow, and a lot of people just look up earnings, what are they, and what's the earning, and stuff like that. So I'm just making this quick little YouTube video, real quick, for you guys to be informed. And yeah, I just find it fun making videos for you guys. So this is the title. For CNBC News, we got Walmart shares slump after retailer cut profit outlook on inflation concerns. So really quickly, we can see that people are not too happy with Walmart due to inflation concerns. What does this mean? Pretty much the fact that our money is worth less, or just things in general have increased in price. So the company has marked their target value as less just because people are buying less items. People are focusing on buying food, medicine, and important first necessity items instead of TVs, electronics like such as gaming consoles, games, bikes, sport items, and so on. You get it. They're just buying food because we don't know what's gonna happen. So the company stock fell more than 8% on Open Tuesday. Shares of other retailers also fell, including Target and e-commerce giant Amazon. Okay. So pretty much Walmart said it now anticipates an adjusted earnings per share for the second quarter and a full year to decline around 8 to 9% and 11 to 13. So they're speculating maybe from an 8% to a 13, or these are individual. I don't know. I think it's from 8 to 13. That's a pretty dramatic drop. So respectively, it had a previous expected them to be flat up slightly for the second quarter and drop about 1% for the full year. So we'll see what happens. Honestly, news like this is very hard to determine what's actually going to happen. So like we can look at the pandemic, for example. The pandemic happened, and then we had a bunch of people saying, oh, a bunch of companies are going to go bankrupt, they're going to make less money. And what ended up happening, these companies made more than they've ever made in their entire existence. Amazon broke sales record. Costco stock went to almost $600 or $500, I don't recall, but it was crazy. A bunch of companies or retailers were making big bucks, especially on earnings, bro. And we saw Sam's Club earnings, we saw Costco earnings. They were all phenomenal in a good way, obviously. So this is a part one. In a couple seconds, I'm gonna cut to the actual earnings on August 16th. I'm just making this part today and just to see what will happen tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. This is pretty much part two. The first video, the first part was just me giving my opinion on what Walmart earnings was gonna bring to the table. My nose is a little stuffy, some allergies and stuff like that. That's why it sounds different from part one. The mic settings are also slightly different, but let's just get into this video. So pretty much Walmart earnings are pretty good. Not gonna lie, Walmart's trading $138, pretty much their fair value. They're up 4%. So pretty much Walmart gave their earnings today, pre-market, and their earnings per share was $100.77 per share, which was pretty good. And so far, other retailers such as Target, Lowe's, and Home Depot are looking at positive earnings for this week. As we said in the previous part, Home Depot earnings also happened today. We can find those. Home Depot. So Home Depot's also up 5%. Well, in the month, but yeah, never mind. That was the weekly chart, guys. Home Depot, do they have their earnings yet? Yeah. So pretty much they also beat earnings. Their estimated was $4.95. They got $5.05. They also beat earnings. I'm not sure if Lowe's is also today. Let's see if Lowe's had earnings today. No, that's the 17th, so it'll be Wednesday. So we'll see what happens with that. Target is also Wednesday. If we look at
Earnings Whisper, which I'll leave a link in the description, is this great website where you can see earnings, a summary pretty much. So we see Walmart beats earnings. So Walmart, it is up pretty much in terms of revenue, 8.4%. Revenue reported was $152 billion in comparison to their $150 billion price range, or their estimate. So pretty much $2 billion extra to the revenue. They expected earnings from $1.49, but reported $1.77, pretty much replicating what happened during the pandemic when people thought this was going to get impacted due to lack of customers, but in reality, it just boosted sales. It's pretty much Walmart reported quarterly July 2022 earnings of $1.77 per share on a revenue of $152.9 billion. The consensus earning estimated that was $1.60 per share on a revenue of $150 billion. The earning whispers number was $1.49 per share, revenue growth 8.4% on a year-over-year basis. The company said that it expected a third quarter earnings of $1.29. Wow. Approximately $147 billion, the current consensus earnings estimate per share. Physical, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Walmart beat earnings by almost 8.4% in terms of revenue growth, which took the stock to be up a nice little 4%. But remember, guys, these stocks are very stable in terms of Costco and Walmart. So 4% is considered big movement for these stocks, like Costco, Home Depot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more similar content in the future, just let me know, or just check out some other videos. I have another video talking about the Tesla stock split, which will be happening on August 19th, which is pretty soon. It would be this Friday at 3-to-1 stock split, and that video explains it a little bit better. But yeah, guys, hope you have a nice day and keep making those sweet, tender gains, See ya.